So happy Friday morning for all our RANsquawk listeners. Just taking a run through for the European rundown, what we've seen overnight. At the moment, Greece still is very much at the forefront in terms of the hot topics at the moment. The latest being the eco-finance ministers are meeting in Spain at the moment in regard to the further detailed discussions over any implementation of the mechanism that was put in place last week being triggered. At the moment, we've seen the various comments from such as Papandreou, the PM in Greece, saying that they're still looking to push through the measures that have already been put in place and seemingly somewhat reluctant to actually trigger that aid. Again, just to stress, these latest talks ongoing still seem very much to outline the finer details rather than the aid package itself, although most analysts do now start to believe that will come at some point or another, with the spread still above 400 this morning between Greek bunds and the 10-year. At the moment we're currently wider by around 14 basis points or so. Another thing that analysts, which I've been reading very much about this morning, has been the actual logistics if they were to put in this actual aid mechanism, if it were triggered by Greece, most suggesting there could be quite a significant time lag given the logistics between the Eurozone states. So it's just another thing worth bearing in mind. Another major news story was for the UK. The pound is trading lower at the moment, closer to that 154 handle, down around 60 pips or so. That was following the first of what's going to be 3 election debates ahead of March 6th, which surprisingly had Nick Clegg of the Liberal Democrats coming out as pretty much the outright winner in that first hearing. So again, as mentioned, the pound trading weaker on the prospect of a hung parliament again coming to the surface. In terms of gilt futures though, pretty much irrespective of that, are trading higher in tandem with the safe haven bid with the widest spread, with Bund futures up this morning. Looking ahead though for the rest of the session, if I just refer to my calendar here, we've got Eurozone CPI at 10 o'clock for the US. Another busy day on the data slate. We've got the housing starts, building permits and University of Michigan to come. One of the most noted things we will be looking out for is 2 more bellwether stocks to report. First of all, at 11:30 London time, we'll see General Electric report. Always a big stock to keep an eye on. In terms of the actual street estimate, that's for 16 cents today. However, the early whisper numbers have put a number as high as 19 cents. And then the other one we're looking out for today will be Bank of America. They're due to report at 12:30 London time. In terms of the street estimate, analysts anticipating 10 cents for the Q1 EPS. And in terms of earnings, we have already seen Google. They reported after the market closed yesterday, although their numbers beat the street estimate. They were shy of the whisper numbers, and in Frankfurt trade or in the tech stocks, they have underperformed so far in Europe. We'll have another update from RANsquawk videos to come later on through the session, but I wish you all a great trading day.